Hello, welcome to fourth episode of Mondays with Color Prism. Today I'm at my native and I'm super happy to be here. Whenever I'm here, I enjoy the calm, the fresh air, so much space, and the kind of peace that I can't even explain. It can only be felt, but the only downside is the network issue. The network keeps fluctuating, so it's hard to conduct online classes, and the hot and humid weather here in coastal areas. But I think the calm makes up for everything. I'll be here for the next few days, so I think I'll have to clean my table first so that I can get back to working. So to clean the table, I take liquid soap or hand wash or something similar on a scrubber and gently scrub it. Gently scrub the table so that the paint stains come off. Be very gentle so that the paint comes off, but there are no scratches in your table. Next, I wipe it off with a clean soft cloth. This is how it looks after cleaning. Now that my table is set, let's see what I'm going to do today. So as I keep traveling, I carry my things around as well. So I planned my week and carried only those things which are actually required to keep my luggage minimum. Okay, now let me show you what I'll be doing this week. So for that, I've carried my pouch which has the basic essentials, a scale, pencil and other basic stationery and some colors that I'll be using for this week, and the bases that I'll be working on. You have seen in my profile already that I'm working on Hamsa and magnets. I'll be doing a few more this week, and I will be using only the blue colors for Hamsa hand this time. So I have my colors mixed and ready, and I got only those colors with me. So you may ask me why I'm carrying things around. Why can't I purchase here itself? So the main problem here is accessibility of such materials is so difficult. If I have to get something, I have to travel 30 kilometers. That is the closest city, which is Mangalore. I have to travel to Mangalore to get my colors, and MDF is hard to find here, especially the bases I work on. So I have to order them online and keep it ready. And even if I order something, it takes more than 10 days to reach here. So by the time it reaches here, I might have traveled back to Bangalore. So that is one problem. I have to plan my days beforehand and get those things here so that I can work on them. Yeah, few courier services do not deliver it to our house. We have to travel 15 kilometers to collect them. So that is one more challenge. But yeah, I know the challenges and I have solutions and backups for that. I've already painted few bases black, so let me do the grids and sketches on them. So I'm doing one evil eye here and few patterns around them. Okay, this is a rough sketch of what I'm going to do in this base. And I've done one more. I think I'll repeat the same design on this base as well. And there are a few more bases which I'm not going to do today, but maybe I'll plan them tomorrow or day after. So let me start with the eye first. So I usually use tool itself to fill color into such shapes. A brush can also be used. Just get done with the filling part first. So this is one of my favorite parts, adding white running dots around blue. Next, I'm going to do the swooshes. I'm really enjoying the super smooth flow. So if you have been following my reels consistently, I think you have seen my previous two designs of Hamsa hand, which I uploaded last week. So those two designs included a lot more dots when compared to swooshes, but this design has lots of them, lots and lots of swooshes. Now I'm going to use my tool to add few swipes here. Adding few white swipes here. Okay, I'm almost done. I just have to add in few dots to fill in those gaps and do the eye, complete the eye, evil eye part. Now let me add those tiny dots to enhance the intricacy level of this artwork. I'm just going to find space and add dots wherever possible. Okay, last part, adding the eyes. Placing the last dot. And it's done. Let me know in the comments if you like this one. Thanks for helping me complete this one. So I know I did not upload my video last week because I was on a girls trip, but thank you for waiting patiently for the next video. I don't want to miss any more Mondays. And yeah, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye bye.